In this episode, we are looking at the best PC cases on the market for every price range. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Corsair Carbide 275R Gaming PC Case. This case is a mid-tower size case optimized for gaming rigs with a tempered glass side panel to showcase your PC build. It has good cable management with enough mounting points to attach cables to. This case gives you a lot of cooling options with space for multiple radiator configurations for decent airflow. It has just as many drive trays for expansive storage space. Removable and washable magnet filters on the top, bottom, and front panels enable good air filtration. One drawback is that using the vertical GPU mount would obstruct your fans and airflow. NZXT H200i Mini-ITX Gaming PC Case. This is a portable and compact gaming PC case that supports Mini-ITX, Micro ATX, and ATX motherboard sizes. Its cam-powered smart device enables digital control of RGB lighting and pre-installed fans. It enables optimized cooling and noise balance with an adaptive noise reduction feature and optional water cooling feature. Vertical GPU mount and tempered glass panel on one side enable a stunning view of your build. One con is that the CAM software powering the smart device appears to be a bit buggy. It shows difficulty recognizing some fan configurations. Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 ATX PC Case. This full tower PC case supports most standard motherboard sizes from ATX to Mini-ITX. Be Quiet focuses a lot on noise dampening. This PC achieves a smooth and silent operation with 3 pre-installed Silent Wings fans. The tempered glass side panel enables a view of the hardware interior. This PC case allows you a lot of room to build whatever you want with whatever you choose. But the smart cable management makes installing the power supply difficult. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.